We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Crypto market analysis. You thought the crypto market was dead? Stop it. You thought the altcoins are finished? Stop it. Madam, I forgot to wear my blazer. Can you give me my black blazer, please? So, I forgot. You got to put it on me, son. So, we're making it happen. I'm going over crypto coins that you should be keeping your eye on. We got Alfredo in the chat. He's ready. What's up, Alfredo? We are doing a coin that I told you about very aggressively. What coin was that? Who can thank you? What coin was that? Who can tell me what coin did I tell y'all to buy? Secret Instagram, you already know. Secret Instagram, you already know. What coin was my favorite coin of 2020? What year are we in?
2025.
2025. What was my favorite? And 2024. Most of 2024. Towards the end of 2024 and 2025. Flood the chat. Which coin is my favorite? Let's see who watches me actively. Let's see who knows what the freak I be talking about. Let's go. Stargazer, Samson, Ghost, Otterbox, Waldemir. What's up? You got it. Fat. Abdul Kafi, welcome, Salam. Fat was the coin. Flip the chat if you are in Fat. You got in on Fat. I hit sell at like $3.50 or $2.50. I don't know which number, but I know it was either $3.50 or $2.50. $2.50? Around this area. No, sorry. Actually, I don't even know where the freak I sold. Was it 2 something? I don't even know. But Trump coin, that wasn't me, Catherine. I don't know who you listen to. I never pushed Trump coin. Ever. Shit. I meant to say TRUMP. Damn. I love Joe Biden. I love Kamala Harris. I love the Democratic Party. I love all of it. So I never pushed the TRUMP coin. That was other people. I don't push meme coins. Yeah, go live. So, boom. So we're making it happen. What coins do you guys want me to talk about? Because I got a list of coins right here that I want you to look into. Flood the chat. Let's make it happen. What coins do you have? I want to know what your heaviest, biggest position is. Flood it. And if you're new to the live, in the chat, in less than 30 seconds, you're about to see my free trading course posted in the live chat. Let's go. My average is 82 cents. Cool. XRP. Okay, GG's biggest is XRP. Catherine is ETH. Beatrice says hi. What's up, girl? Keep going. Let me see the chat. XRP. Damn, y'all didn't sell still? God bless. Shiba and Mara. Mara's a stock. GG. XLM, FET. Let's go, Otterbox. XLM. ETH is dog crap. Unfortunately, ETH has not been performing the way it's supposed to be. XR. Y'all are still holding XRP? Damn, homie. FET. Rare XLM. I like that. Okay. Cool. So we got tonight on the live, FET, XRP, XLM, DOGE, Bonk, IOTA, ETH, and ending the live on Bitcoin. Can you look at Peanut? No. So, boom. That's what we're going to talk about. And I got key levels for you. Just so we're clear, this live, as you see the title and the thumbnail, crypto market analysis overall. This is not about scalp trading it. This is about swing trading it or long-term. I don't think long-term investment, but okay, Hassan, 44 cents. You know, I'll give you a story. You know, I've already said this, and I'm not in the mood to block people, so I'm not going to block. I'm not going to block. But, drop the link to the free course, please. I'm not going to block because I know it all. I know it all about crypto, but TSLL, baby. I know you saw TSLL explode. Flood the chat if you took the trade, the swing, the investment in TSLL. Flood the chat. Clap it up for yourselves. Who didn't and who did? Flood the chat. Thank you, madam. You the best. You the best, big dog. Flood it. I know it's a crypto market analysis, but I'm just asking. Professor, good morning. How are you and Miss Mendoza? She's good. She's right here. Say what's up to Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Hope you guys are doing good. Amazing. 9,200 coins of Sol. Let's go. Gigi says yes on TSLL. George says TSLL OMG. I'm up 58%. TSLL in the entire stock market was the #2 biggest gainer But your boy told you about it 2 days ago before the pop, son. Thank you so much. You're welcome, baby. You're welcome. Heavy TSLL. You better be, George. Not swinging, holding. Boom. Me. I'm in the high sixes. Every mentorship student in the secret Instagram. I've been analyzing TSLL for months. For all of you. For months. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Move this chair out. I don't know. Why is this chair here? It's okay. Move it later. I hate this chair. I bought TSLL. Okay. Who did not listen? By the way, my track record on swing and investments is off the charts impressive. I just got to say. I don't like talking like that. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So, I'm in at 659 shit. You're about to do 100% return on you, baby. 100% return. I think what? We almost at 11? So 12 is around the corner. And for those that didn't, womp, womp, womp. You'll learn the hard way. All right, so let's do it. I'm going to start with FET. So like I told you, let me tell you a story. Who knows my previous favorite crypto coin? Who knows my previous crypto coin? Let's go, flood the chat. What was my favorite that went from 30 cents to like $3, but also $1.30 or something? Flood the chat. I'll take a pullback on Monday in TSLL under 950. Cool. I have a dollar amount I'm holding off on to add. But I'm not saying it on the live. I'll post it in the secret Instagram. Baby. Flood the chat. Matic was my favorite coin of all time. And by the way, like I said, I'm not in the mood to block. But those of you that posted on my story on Instagram to go over Matic, literally, I warned you. I did the eulogy. I ended the life of Matic. Matic is finished. But some of you are watchers. Pure-blooded watchers. So I'm not going to block. I'm not in the mood to block. Plus, my sister keeps telling me to be nice. So I got to be nice.
Push the board.
So I got to be nice. I'm not in the mood to block. So Matic is done with. I'm not going over it. And if I swear to God, you ask me in the chat, I'm going to block them in the chat if they ask me. Instagram, I'll let it go. But if they ask me in the chat, I'm going to block them. FET is my new love. My new mi amor. My corazon. Okay? And I'll tell you a story. One of my friends, he's not a trader, but he's heard me talk about crypto, right? I've known it for like 10 years. And he finally got into crypto after me saying crypto, right? He was in Matic. He didn't hit sell. He was up profits, like per usual. He didn't hit sell, you know? And then he goes, what do I do? I said, bro, I'm going to tell you what to do. Are you going to listen? He says, yes. When FET went in the 30s, I said, I'll log into Coinbase right now. I need you to convert this to FET. He goes, you sure? I said, just trust me. He was down. He was down on his Matic. He didn't hit sell. He didn't listen to me. What do you want me to tell you? That's not the conversation. He converted it in the 30s. He was down, I think, 40%. Somebody do the math. Let's zoom in. I'm going to give you my levels on FET and everything. But listen to this story. Because it might correlate to you. One thing I love about cryptocurrency, minus the stocks, is with crypto, Coinbase, you don't have to sell. You can just easily convert to another coin. I love that. I love that. Professor, end of the next week to be getting the following week, we're going to have to get a major pullback. Someone left me $200 on my truck today. Blessed or suspicious? You're blessed. Back to this. If my friend turned his Matic 40% loss in somewhere in the 30s. Somewhere in the 30s. By the way, I'm on the weekly chart. And Matic right now is in the 75 cents. Flood the chat, my mathematicians. Flood the chat. End the live on Instagram. Instagram, move over to YouTube. And then go over to X, please. Bye, Instagram. Did my friend make his money back? Or is he still red? Flood the chat. How much percent return is that already? Flood the chat. If he bought in the 30s and it's in the 75 cents right now, flood it. And I told him not sell. I'll tell you when to sell, Papi. I said don't sell. Are we still live? The chat is not moving at all. Peter was the last one and that was like 6 minutes ago. Check it for me. Chat's not moving, period.
Yeah.
Look, it's frozen. This is stuff from like 6 minutes. Now it's open. Now it just turned on.
They're just not that active.
All right. 2x. 60%. Nope. 2x. His loss from Matic wiped out and he made it back. There you go. He's up already. What is this? I bought TRUMP coin at 60. Now all my money is gone. I don't know what to tell you, Floxy. I didn't tell you to buy it. Go talk to the person pushing TRUMP coin. Not me. I warned people. I don't know if you were next to me when my cousin called and said he's going to put his money in TRUMP coin, and I said, please don't. Were you next to me?
No.
Or was that okay? No. My cousin called me, and his wife goes, I'm going to buy TRUMP coin. I begged him, please don't buy TRUMP. He's like, why not? I said, please don't buy me TRUMP. Oh no, I've spoken my language. That's why. You were there. It was my cousin called me during the eat party at my family house. You were there, but I didn't speak in English.
Oh, okay.
I speak on my, that's why. I was about to say, no, I saw you. You were sitting on the right side of the couch. I was next to my dad at that party. My cousin goes, I said, don't do it. He goes, why? I said, don't do it. So, point of the story is opportunity cost. Basic economic principle 101. Right? Let's talk about that. It's you. It's not hot in here. It's very nice, actually. OP, opportunity cost. Time wasted while you could have. And if tonight's live, I'm giving a lecture before I go over the tickers. If tonight's live is one thing, it's opportunity cost. Why am I trying to say this? Some of you don't understand, and I'm going to explain to you something very key. Some of you are hung up in relationships that get you nowhere. When you know for a fact there might be someone out there who's much better for you. Toxic relationships, women or men that don't treat you well. There's options out there that you know that you could be treated better. Of course, nobody's perfect. Of course, there's people that's good and bad the whole night. Use your phone to film behind the scenes content. Okay.
This is for X.
I know that's X. You get what I'm saying? Some of you are stuck in tickers that are flatlining, going nowhere. You never hit sell. Can we not break another phone today? Please? We gotta chill out. No, I know, but we're gentle. Your nails. Hold it gently.
It's on my nails.
Okay, gentle. We already broke one phone. So now, and I'm not putting cases on any phones. So, do you understand my example? Some of you are in stocks that are going nowhere. I'm going to break down some of the stocks. My bad. I'm going to break down some of the crypto. Pay attention. No need to wait for a loss to turn into a gain when there are better opportunities out there. Stop it, Sal. You're still stuck in Matic, Sal. You still didn't hit sell on PLTO when it went to record high, Sal. So stop it. Like, I don't know what your portfolio looks like, Sal. Stop it. Stop it. So that's my conversation right there. Boom. So now let's do it. FET. Let's go. Let's have the conversation. So this is my favorite coin as of now. This is my favorite coin. What's up, Professor? Just got on a little late. Did you already go? My brother, I just started. Tomas, I just started. Welcome to class. FET, first coin of the day. AI based. You already know, mentorship students. I told you about this. My analysis is in there. I'm still learning all this. I get my books on Wednesday. Let's go, Alfredo. Let's go.
Just hit sell.
Okay. Why do I like FET? AI-based, clean trends. Right? And of course, like I just said, AI-based. You already know AI quantum is what it is. Also, why do I like it? Like most of crypto, not most, all of crypto, fallen drastically. Ready? Stage 4, stage 1. Moving very nicely. Let me give you my levels on FET. If you got in the 30s, salute. You got in the 40s, salute. My students from the Netherlands, shout out to you. Mar, if you're watching, I know you're probably sleeping right now, but Mar, I know Mariana, I know you messaged me in the secret Instagram not too long ago and said, Professor, I'm sitting on money. I'm sitting on money. I don't know what to do with it. Give me the coin and show me the analysis. So I did the analysis on FET, and I know, girl, you up double right now. You'll love Mar. She came to Puerto Rico 2 years ago. She's awesome. She's like it's a funny story. She's like a grandma, like a straight grandma, right? One time what happened is, you know how I'm running around the mentorship?
Yeah.
You know all the phones I have. And this day I had 2 assistants running around filming. I don't know why, but I put my phone behind my book. And then an hour in, I'm like, shit, does anyone know where the phone is? Nobody knew where the phone is. We were scrambling to find this phone. She goes, Professor, you put it behind your book, behind the podium. I said, how did you know that? We were never going to find it until the last day. She goes, I teach little kids. She's at elementary, she's a daycare. She works at a daycare, taking care of little kids. She goes, I take care of little kids. So that's what little kids do. No offense. And we were dying on that. I'm like, I be doing little kid shenanigans. I be leaving things. So it was the funniest thing. So, Mar, if you're watching this, comment down below. How happy are you with that FET trade? She goes, Professor, I need more money to come to Mexico. So, Mar, hey, Mar Garcia, let's go. She's never commented.
No.
Mar, is that a true story? Did I give you a true, did I just say a true, I only speak the truth. I only speak the truth. Like 10 minutes before the live started, my assistant asked me 2 questions that I spoke the truth on, so she might be a little upset at me on the truth on that one. That's what I can tell, she's a little upset at me. But I only speak the truth. That's the best part about me. I don't have to lie. When I speak the truth, she's upset, but she's like, shit, at least he told me the truth. So, hey Mar, good to see you, Mar Garcia. I don't know your last name was Garcia? Mariana Garcia. She's from Portugal but lives in the Netherlands. She's awesome. She has like the best mom energy, man. Back to this. 0.33. Next level, 0.62. Next. 114. Next. Here are my levels for FET. There are my levels for FET. And Mar says, yes, confirm my story. I got you, Mar. She just wanted extra money in an investment to pay for the Mexico mentorship. It's not cheap flying in from the Netherlands to Mexico or New York, so I know. So I got you. Your investment should pay for it. Excuse me. You know what's awesome? Taking your profits from stocks and crypto, investing in yourself, and that's a tax write-off. Got you. Got you. So I like FET. Clean trend, clean mover. Hands up if you are in FET. Flood the chat if you're in FET. I like FET. I like FET. Flood the chat if you're in FET. And drop your average price. Do we have a glass, madam? So I can drink this?
Get one.
Thank you, madam. Don't walk too aggressively, please. Thank you. Can I buy it right now after a major move? There's no pullback, puppy. Afjal Hussein. My brother Afjal. I'm in FET. Let's go, Tomas. Let's go. I know you are. I think almost every mentorship student in the secret Instagram should be in FET. There's 2 stocks that I was hammering in you guys. Was FET and TSLL. Hammering. Shout out to all of you in the 6s. You left your phone behind your book to take a picture. Yes, that's what I did. Is it too late to get in? I wouldn't get in. You need a pullback. A healthy pullback. What's the last level? 33 cents. Thank you, madam. And I haven't had the blood tea. Can I have blood tea?
Right now?
No, not right now. Later.
Because then I can't move.
Don't walk too aggressively. Yeah, she's like my mother. My mother, man, walks like she's upset at the earth. Like literally, my mother walks as if she's upset at the earth. I hate people that walk heavy. Like, I don't like that. Gracias. You didn't put mineral. You didn't mineralize this.
No.
I can't drink this. Can you mineralize it, please? Thank you. It tastes horrible. How'd you forget? It's okay. Dap it up, son. Just learned about VWAP. Just learned about VWAP today. A bit behind. It's okay. Thank you. And the highest? $1.79. What is it? Cut off or something? Is the screen cut off? Is that why? Oh damn. Why did you guys say the screen was cut off? Here you go. Boom. You guys gotta let me know these things, man. Y'all gotta let me know these things. I can't see part of the screen. I don't know if you know, but behind the scenes, there's a gigantic screen behind the camera, like it's huge. That way I can see everything going on. What is the FET ticker on TradingView? TradingView, FET USD. Got you guys. Now that was set up. But FET, I'm in love with FET. FET has great potential. Let's go study the back of FET. The past of FET. One warning. Thank you. You're welcome, Christina. One warning to you all. Keep this in mind. When did you clean the board?
When you told me today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. See, the little things you do, I appreciate it. Because now it's clean for me to write.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Let's make the potion.
The potion? Yeah, I can't drink it without it. Because reverse osmosis kills the life.
It's like a potion.
What's up, Professor? Made $300 today. Mashallah, Lambo Kitten. I've never seen you before, but welcome. I didn't notice the screen cut off since the level is stuck on my head. Thanks, Professor. Professor, I have level you made on FET months ago. Sometimes you need discipline, Professor. Discipline for what, Peter? I said a lot of things. What are you talking about? Look at this downtrend on FET. What do you notice? At what price point do they intersect? Who can tell me? Who took... Can I drink it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Better.
Did you put it in here or in there?
And there.
Okay. The chat is moving miserably slow. Guys, can we get active in the chat? You guys are talking so slow. I want to talk to y'all. Like, I like these engagement lives. Hey, Professor, what time frame are you on? Sorry if you mentioned it. Krishna, it's okay. Weekly. Not $1. Jesus Christ, I'm tweaking. The downtrend and a key level of resistance. Please explain how you make your levels. Block that guy.
No.
I'm joking.
You're blocked.
I'm not explaining anything, Mr. LeBron. Read my book, How to Be a Consistent Trader. Read my book. That's where you can learn it. This is not, there's no discount on this. But you can drop the discount. Guys, the discount if you want 50% off all 3 of my books in the ultimate or bundle, not this one by itself. Use code TSLL. TSLL to get 50% off on it. Actually, no. I said as long if it stays below 960, if it gets above 960, delete that code right now. Actually, no.
Yeah. It's about that.
Roberto's messaging me. Tell him check the weather,
Okay.
and I just want to ride my motorcycle.
Okay, I'll tell.
Yeah, he's messaging me right now.
Oh, he has your book.
I have you. Then LeBron, you should know. Let me quickly end the.
Yeah.
Guys, wait. Let me get rid of the discount code because I gave my word.
Yeah.
I have to keep my word. Discounts. TSLL. You know what? I'm in the mood. Let's make the new discount code FAT.
Yeah, make it like.
No, I can't make it FAT. USD. People like FAT. I don't need to deal with that nonsense. All right, guys. New discount code. As long as FET stays below $1.14, 50% off the books. FET USD. You can live right in the chat. LeBron, back to you.
Not FET, USD.
FET USD, yeah. Sorry. FET USD. The books give a lot of answers. Thank you, Ali. LeBron, if you have my book, then you should know, puppy. Alvin, there should be a page on how to draw levels. Yes, there is. Discipline with Miss Mendoza, looking out for you. Don't be mad when she's correcting you or fixing things. She does a lot for you. She's earning. Damn, Peter got your back. You know what's funny, Peter, in Puerto Rico? People were like, yo, stop tweaking on the professor. But you looking out for her right now. You know I love you, Peter. Listen, am I not nice to you all 90, 100% of the time?
98.
98? I'll take it. 98. See, Peter, she said it, not me. But you're right. I will. But what did I say? I think he's talking about the water.
Yeah.
But she knows what I like. Professor, 200 EMA on the weekly or something. Forget the damn 200 right now, man. Up jaw, 217. Bro, 217. Papi, 217 is too far away. Guys, why did we get into the game of trading, investing, swing trading? Flood the chat. Damn, I like the way you paste that. That's clean. Read the trading books. Use code FETUSD and 50% off. Good job, madam.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Why do we get into trading? Flood the chat. Abjal said 217. Yo, I'm dying now. It's hot because this thing is literally a sauna.
Yeah.
My hand literally is boiling. Yeah. Flood the chat. Why do we get into trading?
Please blast.
I got you, girl.
Some of your students listen.
What are they saying? Done.
I moved Matic to
To make professor, for next week, I'll begin to trade on MES1. I'm a bit excited to see how it goes. Let's go. All these new names I've never seen before, but I appreciate you, unknown OG. To make another paycheck. Yes, I moved Matic profits to FET. Good man. Make some money to get your time back. To make money, FET looking like an inverted head and shoulder setup. Like I moved PLTR to TSLL. Time. Make money and buy time. So there's a two-part answer here. Make money to buy your time. Ladies and gentlemen, tell us more about key levels and trend. No. See, I want to block that guy now.
which one? I lost.
Tell us more about key levels and trend line. I'm teaching a lesson on crypto.
Yeah, no.
It's okay.
He didn't say anything wrong.
I know, but I'm teaching a lesson. He's asking me to do this. Read the book or come to my New York class. I'm not teaching
Okay,
this.
then you can just
All
do
right.
that. I'll drop the link to the
You became a trader to make money so you could buy your time back. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the thing that I don't understand, that some of you get lost in some conspiracy or some weird Narnia type reality. I'm not hitting sell. Let it just keep going. When I hear that, I'm like, I hope he never buys my book or comes to my class. He's a weirdo. That's what I say. Do you understand what I'm saying? You got into this game to make money. That's it. Nothing more. By the way, you're the only reason I'm not blocking that guy. He's not teaching that, bro. LOL. I say to block you, professor. Bro, she wants me to be nice. I'm being nice. If you weren't here, I would have blocked him, by the way.
control.
I know. But I like blocking people. It's fun. All right. It's just fun for me. Listen, professor, I had a personal assistant too. They helped me. They helped me so much with the nonsense where I can focus on other things. So she's worth every little bit. Thank you and so much more. Bro. Bring your hands in here. Put your hands in front of the camera. Peter, I take care of her. I paid for her nails to get done. And I didn't know nails cost. How much did I pay?
A lot.
I paid a lot, she says. So.
No, but you know, he's saying like words.
No, I know.
Day to day, not just paying for stuff.
People are fast sitting on the button would be hilarious. Professor, do you find that crypto could create top and bottom ends? Not right now, Sergio. Not right now. I'm going into a rant. You got in this game to make money. Upjal said to sell at 217. of Joe. God bless. But my brother, we are only at 76 cents, bro. We're only at 76 cents. Mendoza is sweet. All right, this is not a live about my assistant. This is not a live about her. You want to get on camera?
No.
You know what my one of my students said to me today? He goes, I don't know what she looks like. All I've seen is her hand. I said, go find the live. She's been on my live. Professor, it's so hot in there that it's hotter than it is down here in South Florida. What is going on? Turn the AC up. I did, Peter. I did. Peter got your back today.
With the AC.
For example, a lot of you are not feeling good about what's going on with the altcoin market. I got you. A lot of you are upset on how slow and miserable crypto has been this year. You seem to be in your element, enjoying your every moment, very entertaining, Papi. I appreciate it.
Go to lesson.
Go to the lesson.
Yes.
All right, rocket scientists, start doing some math for me. I'm going to use my friend who bought it in the 30s. I think he bought it at 35. Well, what the freak is that, a 3? I'm tweaking, it's like an alien type. Let's say 36. And he sells at... How much percent did he make? Let's go, math scientists. Let's go. I'm going to have to go to New York to meet the new assistant.
That's funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, all you have to learn is...
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
That's all you have to learn. I'm going to give this button a break. People are fascinating.
Yeah.
People are fascinating.
Why do I sound so aggressive? Holy. People are fascinating.
People are fascinating.
There you go, Sal. Let's go, mad scientists. Let's go. Someone said 2x. GG. Can you do the math, please? Because you say you're good at math.
What?
One of my friends, he bought around here, and I'm going to have him sell around here. How much did he make? Percentage. Forget the dollar amount. Make money to buy your time back, and you'll have... Peter, fast forward. You're very behind on the live, bro. Your comments are behind. Watch it live. Watch it live. Your comments are behind. People are giving me 3x, 4x, 6x, 5x,
4-ish.
4.9.
Right?
So 5x
Oh
practically.
no, wait. You moved the decimal. Wait. Jesus, I forgot that.
Whatever it is.
Yeah.
Whatever it is a 5x return exceptional or mediocre or okay? Flood the chat.
Yep. That's right. 5x.
That's what I said, yeah. Flood the chat. When he also, by the way, the key part of the story is he lost money on Matic because he didn't hit sell when I told him to. That's the key part. That's the key part of the story. Most of you will never convert over to better coins. 395% return. Tell me if that's good or not. Tell me if that's good or not. Tell me if that's an exceptional return. That's what I'm trying to say. A very good return is considered 8 to 10%. While that man was down on Matic when he didn't hit sell. And I said, please convert it over. Don't think about it. Convert it over. He's already back to normal. And now we're going to 5x it. This is a friend of mine who is not a believer in crypto, but he's heard enough of my lectures where he's like, yo, bro, I'm going to give it a roll. I'm going to roll the dice. Professor, show me the way. And he rolled the dice on me, and I showed him the way. Even when he didn't listen, he lost. I found a backup. Switched the coin to a better coin. I'm a big believer in opportunity cost. That's just me. So now that I finished my lecture, I can go a little deeper into the next coin because you got the gist of it. I got to give you a little lecture before I do everything else. Lambo Kitty, what an interesting name. By the way, guys, my assistant wants me to buy her a rabbit.
A bunny.
A bunny? What's the difference?
Rabbits are big.
She wants me to buy her a bunny. I said, I'll think about it. She goes, I'm alone all day. I have no one to talk to. She wants someone to hold, I guess. That's why you want it. And I know that why you want it, because you have someone to play with. A 9 to 5 will not give you 5x return, 100%. That's a cute pet. Who thinks, flood the chat, should I buy her? You can do a poll. Click here. Click here. Start a poll.
Okay.
Go. I had a bunny named Coco Cappuccino. If I got you the bunny, I'm not saying I'm going to, hypothetical, what would be the name? Has to be a Muslim name. If it lives in my house, has to be a Muslim name.
Muhammad.
She said, Ma, make the poll, make the poll. No, it has to be a Muslim name. Hold on. Hold on. Let the chat pick a name. Let the chat pick a name. Top Muslim female names. Aisha, Miriam, Sarah, Aliyah. Let's see. Stupid cookies. Ikra, Zainab, Asma, Farah, Uzma, Nadia, Alina, Medea, Rita.
That's for a girl.
Yeah, it's a girl bunny. I'm assuming you were gonna get a girl, no?
Oh, male bunny.
Male bunny? You want a male bunny?
They're bigger.
I thought you would want small
No,
bunny.
they're tiny. They're Holland bunnies.
Okay.
But
You
male.
did make the poll? You made the poll? Okay.
Yeah.
There's no. There's only a yes. Oh, because you voted. I won't be able to see the no then, woman. You're not supposed to vote. Hold on, let me see. Because I can't see the no's now. I can't see the no's percentage. Halima, okay. My family tradition is to eat bunnies on Easter. Let's go, Sal. My daughter and her boyfriend just bought a bunny. Hagar, they stink. Damn, George says they stink. They do?
No.
They do? Well, you know the backyard is filled with bunnies, right? Have you seen one in the backyard yet?
Can I catch one right now?
No, those are wild. They could have fleas or God knows what. Rocket, day trade. Call the bunny day trade. No, I'm the day trade professor. Amani, Noor. Name her Noor.
No, these bunnies don't stink.
Cats will come and climb on your lap and purr. Okay. All right. 74% said yes, and the remaining said no. So we're gonna go with the no, everybody. No, I'm playing. All right, back. So Fat, we're good. We're good with Fat. I love Fat. Fat muy bien. How the hell do I get out of here?
So 26 said no. 26%.
Got you.
Yeah.
Chat GPT, a popular Muslim name for a rabbit, particularly in Arabic and Hebrew, is Shafan, which means rabbit. Oh, shit.
Okay.
I like Shafan.
Shafan.
Shafan. I like that.
Yeah.
With other meanings would be Ada. I don't like that. Zara. Okay. Amatula. We're not doing that. Anus. We're definitely not doing that. Aya. That was one of my sister's names, so no, we're not doing that. Bunnies don't like to cuddle. Huh.
Yeah, they do. The ones that they sell online. Yeah.
Okay. You're a gift from God, man. I'm learning and just listening. Welcome, Seth. Cats are better. We're not doing cats.
Hell no. I'm super allergic to.
We're not doing cats. We're not doing. I'm a Muslim, so we're not doing dogs. We're not doing that.
Right back to this.
All right. Sacre bleu. All right, next ticker. Let's do it.
Name it Fat.
Name it Fat. I don't mind. But what happens when Fat I don't like anymore? Then what do we do? Like Matic is dead. Matic is finished.
Right.
We're not talking about that.
Control.
All right, next one. All right, XRP Army. Madam, drop the link. Drop the link. Where do I buy the book?
Oh.
Seth, use the code crypto. Fat USD. 50% off all the books.
Oh, sorry.
I got you, son. Next ticker. Flood the chat if you're an XRP. Let's go. Flood the chat if you're an XRP and you didn't sell. God bless if you did. There you go, Seth. Go for it, puppy. Flood the chat if you are an XRP and you never sold. I don't know what's wrong with most of you. I don't know what's wrong with most of you. I know XRP has big potential, but goddamn, that thing moved heavy. Some of you are in it from the 30, 40, 50s. That thing went to 339. Christina is still in FET. Sal is still in FET. Otter is still in FET. George sold. Let's go.
XRP.
LeBron, yeah, XRP. LeBron says yes. Sergio, yes. Camilo, yes. Ramsha, no. Nigel, welcome Ramsha. Nigel, XRP. Keep going. I just started cumulative recently, Professor. Okay. XRP team is still here. Okay. Still holding. Damn, Camilo. Damn. Still holding. Thank you. I will meet you one day and shake your hand. Seth, this is the formula, puppy. Free course, read all 3 books, then come to class, either New York or Mexico. Yes, I sold. Let's go, Saya. Peter said, name the bunny consistency.
Consistency.
I don't mind. Just Sell.
Just
Sell, get over here, son. No, I never got in, but I can tell right now it's bearish. Sometimes you need to keep a little bit and let it ride. Oh, Sal. I was under the impression it was a long-term play. It's okay, Alvin. You were deceived by the discords. Just bought it at $1.80. Cool. So let's talk about it. Let's go. Ticker, as I just said it, ladies and gentlemen, is XRP. Here are some key levels to keep your eyes on. $3.15, $2.55, and $1.59. We are in stage 1, stage 2, on massive stage 3. Those of you that have been holding for weeks since November's pump, my target sell is $10. Camilo, may God help you today. $10. He might not be wrong, but may God, man, help us. If some of you I know are up big time, call Bunny Seller. Seller? I do like shorts. But here are my levels. Nothing to say, just undecisiveness. Wild wicks, wild candles on XRP. I know y'all are obsessed with XRP. That's a clear stage 3. Why wouldn't you sell? Prodigy, all I gotta say is I'm not in XRP. That's all I gotta say. So for those of you, stay how you want to stay. But that's XRP. Next one, let's go. One of my second favorite crypto coins is XLM. I'm going to give you my levels and talk about XLM. Let's go. Let's go full screen. Here we go. I'm going to give you my levels and talk about it. Ticker is XLM. If you notice, it was in this buy zone. If you want to learn how to make buy zones, how to be a consistent trader, I wrote the book. Boom. You know what's funny? Some of you watch this live and don't have a single one of my books, which makes 0 sense. I'm just being honest. It makes 0 sense. Bro, you're a beast. XRP bought to make us multimillionaires. Thinking of swapping XRP for more FET. Yalla. Okay. What do you think of XLM? I'm on XLM, puppy. Oh, it's my favorite too. Yes, my second favorite. Bunnies have great eyesight, so they are excellent watchers. Call the bunny Sal. Damn, Eric dropping some shade on somebody in the chat. So Eric and the guy named Salvatore Ragusa, they don't get along in the chat. Sal is an ultimate watcher. He's been watching me for years. Remember the story I said? He made money on a Tesla play to pay for the class. He said I'm going to come, and he never did it. But it's okay. I blocked him and I unblocked him. I felt bad. So he's throwing shade at Sal right now. That's what he's doing.
That was good.
Yeah, that was a good one. I love the buy and sell zone. Still getting more XP on it, but thank you, Professor, for teaching us so much. Tomas, you know I love you. Message heard will be done. My words. Keep helping people. It seems to be your gift. Thank you, bro. XLM looks like tasty trades. Bottom green. I agree. Shoot, I got mine on Wednesday. I can't wait. You're going to get it in soon, Alfredo. See you next time, Professor. It's almost 3 a.m. here. I'm getting to continue sleep. Thank you for everything. You're welcome, bro. Love your book. Thank you, big man. I just found your stream. Welcome, Sergio. Bugs Bunny. See you next time, Professor. It's almost 3. I will be live on Tuesday. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday, everybody. I know it makes no sense, but I'm in the process of saving money to buy your book. And I will, Professor. Samsung, use the code FETUSD to get 50% off all of them. Back to FET. Sorry, back to XLM. XLM was in a clean buy zone for a long time. pumped up drastically, sideways. And now has settled down in these areas. Check it. There's some levels for XLM. I love XLM. It's my second favorite one. Why do I love XLM? Clean trends. And it also has futures on Coinbase. I've done futures on XLM. I like it. Look, look, look. Get over it, Eric. Don't you get tired of attacking me? Eric, be nice. Sal didn't start it, Eric. You did. Be nice, Eric. I'm all over it. The only crypto I hold. Damn, that's kind of wild. Puppy, try to hold some FET too. Try to hold some FET too. FET is really good. FET has massive potential, buddy. Massive potential. Smash the like button. Thank you. So, there's my outlook on XLM. I like it. You know what's funny? I will never be like Sal. I love it, Seth. You know what the funny thing about Sal is? He lives in my neighborhood. He lives one town away. So if you didn't know, once you pay for a New York 3-day class, you can come to all 3 days in the future, forever, for free. Literally for free. Walk in whenever you want. It's yours. So he had it. He had the opportunity to buy it when it was $2,000 to $3,000 cheaper, by the way. $2,000 to $3,000. He's still, it's okay. It's okay. The only thing I didn't like is he lied. I don't like liars. That's what he did. Yeah. What? Futures XLM? That's a game changer. Yeah. Yeah, Ramsha, if you go on Coinbase, I don't know in Canada, I'm just saying in America, XLM has futures on Coinbase. I've done it on Coinbase futures in America. I know the rules are different in your draconian system of Canada. Cesspool of a nation. What a horrible nation Canada is. All right, XLM, I'm done. Next one. Let's go. I'm also saving to buy your book. You guys got 50% off, man. Use it. Next ticker. DOGE. Oh, I'm about to go off on a lot of people. I'm about to go off. Let's go. All right. Let me not get too angry. Let me not get too angry. I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to go crazy. Okay, we're gonna go crazy, crazy for feeling so lonely, crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for loving you. I think it's like 46 cents. And right now it's 18 cents. All right, here we go. What was this obsession with Doge that some of you had? Oh, Elon, he's going to go work in the government. He's going to create the DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency. Doge is going to go to $5, $10. This artificial reality that some of you are brainwashed in, I don't think it ever ends for some of you. Because some of you, when I see you in the comment section, watch this. My most viral videos are 2 videos. It's not my ass on my classroom teaching. It's the videos where I talk about XRP or Doge that get hundreds of thousands of views because you're so brainwashed to assume Elon is going to run Doge and Doge is going to go up. And I see the comments. That make no sense because some of you have been watching me for 4 years, 5 years, 3 years. No, Professor, I'm holding for my children. What price did you buy in? Oh, I bought it like 0.01, 0.10, 0.5. It went to 46 cents and you're trying to tell me you over 10x'd. You over 10x, as Grant says, and you still didn't hit sell because you're wrapped in a reality that you don't understand one concept. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I've taught this for how long? Where is this disconnect that I don't understand? Because this is the key why I'm talking like this. Some of you people have been watching me for so many years. You are so disconnected from reality that you're like, I love the professor, I listen. And then you do stupidity where you're like, no, I'm not selling. Elon's at Doge. Doge is going to go. It's already priced in. Where is the disconnect? This was November when TRUMP became president. Elon went and helped them. That's it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm done with my lecture. Who's still in Doge? Professor, should we concentrate our investment in a couple of tickers or spread it? Couple of tickers. Anger doesn't match space music. That's not space music, puppy. It's called Lord of the Rings. What are you, Gandor's nephew? Just breathe in and breathe out. I'm always breathing, baby. I got the best assistant who ever lived, son. I had 5 prior to her. She beats all of them combined. What time frame weekly? Doge meme coin, you know it. Just hit sell. Steven, forever. See, Steven said he's holding it forever. There's a disconnect in reality. Professor's cutting an old school wrestling promo on us. Old school wrestling. Eric, send me a video of what you're talking about. I want to know what old school wrestling promo you're talking about. Should have compounded those profits into other coins. Puppy, you said what I said. This is all I'm trying to tell you. When you 10x, 5x, hit sell, and wait for the next opportunity to do it again and again and again. Where is this obsession? I'll say it again. All I'm trying to tell you is when you are up 10x, 5x, hit sell, hold cash, give some to your mother, and then rotate it into the next bloodshed fall in crypto. FET went to 33 cents. FET's gonna go to like $3, $4. Do the math on that return. You already took a 10x and you 50x'd it. Why is this hard? Last time I checked, oh, I know why. Traders can't do math. I can't do math. But you know what the real disconnect is? You live in a false reality with these stupid Discord chats. That's to blame. Y'all are so brainwashed by the Discords, you have no free thinking skills. You communists? I just loaded my bag. Been out since 2019. I trade Doge on the weekend to scratch my itch. Gordo, I miss you. Come back next month. The next class in New York, Gordo. Come back. It's free for you. I miss you, bro. Give me a big hug. I miss you. You know, I was thinking about you, Gordo. My assistant goes, why don't you trade penny stocks in Mexico? And I told her, I will. My plan is, but I don't like to talk about this publicly, but I put $5,000 into an account and I made a little bit. Don't talk about it? Okay. Never mind. So I'm going to trade penny stocks in the summer and futures. So yeah. That's so true, boss. Appreciate it. Thank you for JetBlue. We'll sell at 8. We'll get profits at... I appreciate... You're welcome, bro. I love helping you. You know what's funny? You know what I love the most? There's so many mentorship students. I said, what made you come here? They said, I watched the live. You told me a stock of crypto to put in money in. I put the money in. I made so much. I took a little bit of the profits. I said, let me just send it to you in a class. And they came to class. Secret to the universe. Some of these people can never afford a class or a flight to me. Right. Yeah. But what the knowledge I'm giving them, they're able to come and do all of it. And it's free. Because they didn't do anything for it. You will waste your time for nothing. Yup. I want to go. So come. It's free for you, Papi Gordo. You already paid. Come back. I miss you. You're right. People outsource their thinking to AI on Discord. That's what I'm saying. 50 exit, and then it will. Then if you want to go back the same amount of Doge with 5 to 10%, goes, yeah. It went to $50 and they didn't hit sell. Better buy that bunny. I told her we'll talk about it in September when I come back from Mexico. I said we'll talk about it in September. You 100% right, correct with the Discord. Y'all keep saying I'm correct, but are you listening to anything I'm saying? You know, I have such a hate for Discord, it's not even funny. I just really hate it. Yeah. I think it takes away people's freedom to think freely. Right. That's my issue with it. You rely on other people's mindset. That's not what it's supposed to be. But when they don't listen, they're paying people monthly subscription services for what? To lose their free thinking skills? Someone goes to me, I use it as a scanner. Bro, I got free scanners in the secret Instagram that are much better than these stupid ass Discords. So much passion, love it. I've been doing this for 12 years. Cheers to you, Nigel. Hit me in the DMs about it. What you mean you hit me? What you mean hit me in the DMs? Hit me in the DMs. The book got me to the class. I know. Doge came back to the price I bought it at. That's what I'm saying, anime. See? Man. See?
Yeah, that's crazy.
And guess what? Is now a good time to buy Doge? Flood the chat. Is now a good time to buy Doge? Flood the chat. I love what anime just said. Doge came back to the price I bought it at. I don't understand some of you, man. I don't understand why it's so hard to hit sell. That's all I do. Can I have your secret Instagram?
He doesn't know.
Why? What happened?
I thought you were gonna go off.
No, he's new. I like LeBron.
Oh.
I just started seeing him.
Okay.
You gotta be. Can you just write in the chat? I'm losing my voice. I'm talking too loud. I knew this was gonna happen.
Yeah.
Professor, because of the lack of common sense, there's a disconnect. I agree. Common sense is not common, Peter. Never bought Doge. Well, you should tonight, Tariq. You should tonight. Wait, Tariq, are you that Tariq who just signed up for the mentorship? I'm going to see him in 3 weeks. Are you that Tariq? Let's go if you're that Tariq. Discord equals wanting to be fed. That's all I'm saying. Yes. Alvin about to get blocked. No, Eric. My assistant has me being a lot nicer lately, so I'm being nice. Yes. If you want to swing, it's a great time. I bought at 15 cents the other day. I'm up. Ask scalping. No one's talking about scalping, Tariq. Yes, buy now and sell again. Correct. So the answer is, Doge is at a great price point. Yes, that is the Tariq. What's up, Tariq? I will see you in class in New York. I love it. I love that name, Tariq. It has power to it. Tariq. Yo, what's up? What's your name? Tariq. Oh shit, okay, I'll let it go. I don't want to fight. Let me give you my levels for Doge. Doge is a great opportunity to swing. How long you been following me, Tariq? I never really saw you until you signed up for the mentorship. What made you sign up? Why are you coming to my class? By the way, you like my new lower third? It's Bitcoin flipping.
I noticed.
You like it?
I like it.
It's brand new. I just got it.
It's fire.
We got 0.26. We got 0.42. Can't wait. I can't wait to meet you too, bro. I can't wait to meet you too.
Not just the back, because the back is Bitcoin too.
Yeah. Crypto money. Yeah. Do the comments work on X? You ever seen anyone comment?
No.
If you're watching on X, can you comment? See if it works. I'm pretty sure you can comment on X.
Really?
For those, I have no idea. Elon's always updating. Guys, if you're on X, just comment. My assistant's in the back monitoring. I wonder if you guys can comment, but I just want you on YouTube.
I don't know.
No? You don't see any comments? I could swear you can. Professor, I'm coming in May. Let's go, Gigi. Gigi, what's your real name? Did you sign up? Because I don't know any Gigi in the chat. What's your real name? Everything have cycle. Learn from the... Yep. Yes is now a good time. Yes. So there's my levels for Doge. I like it. If you got it at like 13, 14 cents, cool. But Doge is great. Oh, it's Guna. What's up, Guna? Oh, I didn't know Gigi was Guna.
Yeah.
What's up, Guna? I can't wait to see you too, girl. I love it. We got May Mentorship New York in the chat right now. What's up, girls and guys? I'm on X. Lambo Kitten, can you comment on X or no? Someone was making fun of a video you posted, then I dig deep into, to be fair, you sounded genuine. Someone was making fun of me? Yeah, I know. I get a lot of hate.
Yeah.
On X? Where did you see that video of them making fun of me? Yeah, I get a lot of hate on X. They really make fun of me. Mainly for my clothes. And then, so the main hate on X, because I've gone through the hundreds of, I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to lie. It's mainly, his clothes are too tight, Botox, lip filler,
Fake beard.
Oh yeah, the beard is fake. Those are some of the hateful. And you know what the best thing is? That's called they're in love with me. It's like a homosexual relationship, right? Because if you think about it, I have never gone onto a man's page and commented about their facial features. But for me to get that from another man, it's romance. I don't go that way. I'm just saying, I don't go that way. Okay? I've never done Botox. This beard is real. No ink. So, yeah. No lip filler. Shout out to my mother. So, what's my name on X? Day trade. Can you put in the chat? Day Trade PROF. There's like 6 fake accounts of me. That's not me.
All lowercase?
Yeah, all lowercase.
Day trade.
It's called obsession. I know. Those are such weird things to hate about. That's what I'm. No, it's not weird. It's called romance. That's my ex right there. Oh wait, my ex is right here. The TikTok and ex is the same, right there.
Yeah,
It's right there. Day Trade Prof.
Same, yeah.
Bromance. No, the homosexual romance. It's a homosexual thing. They're internally in love. But I don't go that way. I mean, I'm a Muslim. I gotta be straight, bro. Professor, they don't know it runs in the genes. You know the vibes. I know, but that's the best part. I love what Tarek said, right? He saw a hateful video. That's the best part. You people that make fun of me don't understand.
Now he's here.
Now he's here.
Yeah.
You hated me in a video. Whoever posted it. Somebody saw the hate. Let me look into this guy. Well, I like him. Tarek bought the books and flew to New York. He's gonna fly to New York and bought my class. I win. Didn't I tell you? No hate is bad hate.
No.
Hate is good.
Yeah.
Hate is good. Let them attack me. Hate goes viral. Hate gets viral and then he showed up.
Well, that's what
I love it. You know, it's funny because if you hate me, that really tells me that you have internal issues with yourself. Maybe your mother didn't love you enough. Maybe your father didn't beat you enough. One of the two disconnects happened. So, Doge, I like it. I like Doge. And now, let me go to the next ticker. But before I go to the next ticker, one person has to talk about Doge, the crypto Doge, and this thing will blow up. What do you think? Who is that person? You never met a hater doing better. That's what I'm saying, Ramsha. That's why I've never hated on anybody. Y'all, if you watch me for 5 years, I've never taken another man's name in a negative light. Ever. Why would I? Why would I? But it's okay. Tarek showed up to class because of the hate. So shout out to that. Just like publicity, Professor, bad or good, it's great. I know. That's what I'm saying. Literally, I didn't even know that's why Tarek's here. He saw a video of someone making fun of me. Elon, do not bet against Doge. Yes, Doge is a meme coin. Before someone says, I thought you said no Doge is exempt from that rule. Noor, brother, quick question. Where do you get the energy from? I have 4 kids and I need some of your energy to be able to work, trade, and take. I got you, Noor. Very simple. Number 1, I eat clean and I eat pure. That's just the truth. Number 2, I live life on my terms. I trade and I teach. That's all I do. Number 3, I got an assistant who lives in my house. She makes me breakfast, she makes me dinner, she cleans my house, she gets my clothes ready, she manages my social media accounts. She does everything I don't want to do. She pushes me to work out. It's gain season. It's gain season. So that's it. But the truth of the matter is, I truly just love what I do. That's just the truth. You don't need coffee. You don't need cocaine. You don't need anything. When you love life, like I wake up saying, let's go. That's just the truth of the matter. That's just the truth. So my brother Noor, that's the truth. They're jealous of you. You are a blessing. I appreciate you. Mr. Tesla, Trump, yes. Elon Musk will pump Doge when he's pumped Tesla. You know what's funny? I'm about to tell you something. Pay attention. Pay attention. In due time, Elon will create a payment processing system with X. And he's mentioned it either as a joke or he's serious to use crypto. And he wants to use Doge as that payment. That you could buy and sell Doge and stuff on it. He wants to create an ultimate app. Very similar to WeChat in China. So understand that if he does that, just the rumor of him doing that will cause a massive move on Doge. Do not bet against Doge. Do not bet against Doge. How can a human hate, Professor? Who want to help people? I'm so sorry. Baby boy, Afjal is very simple. People that don't make money, people that are broke mentally, physically, spiritually, and people that their parents didn't love them enough, or their dad didn't beat them enough. One of those two. That's what kind of people hate. I slept on you. Whoa, okay, wait, let me read that properly. Okay. I slept on you for 5 years straight just because you never flashed wealth. Oh, I'm trying to understand what he's saying. I slept on you for 5 years straight
Oh, he's saying he didn't watch you because you didn't put flashy stuff out.
Oh,
there.
okay.
Yeah.
You never flashed well until I lost everything. And this year I told myself I'm locking in. And today I live by what you've been teaching. So much love. So Saya or Sia, I'm just gonna say Fanti. Fanti, you didn't watch me or like me for 5 years because I don't show you my bank balances, the nice things I own.
That's interesting.
I don't know how to decipher that. You would know. How do I decipher that? I don't know how to take that.
He's saying so much love. We'll appreciate you.
Yeah, but ultimately,
and, that was a good question too, because you don't show anything online.
evil eye.
They're just sharing why they're they.
No, but he's been a watcher for 5 years. Or she. Are you a boy or a girl? I can't. Is that a boy or girl name?
I can't.
Sia, Saya.
Sounds like.
Are you a boy or a girl? Sia, Saya. Sorry, Fanti. I want to just be respectful. I really don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Should we buy TRUMP meme coin? Block him. No, I'm joking. Paul. No. Hopefully we will see. We will soon. I'm down a lot on Doge. Chris Cape Cod. You always hit sell, man. What the free, Chris? You didn't give the levels to XLM. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Lambo Kitten. I'll move to New York, Professor. Any cheap apartments in New York? I hear New York has cheap apartments. No idea, bro. No idea. I live in the suburbs. I no idea. No. I've been loving you, Professor. I've been watching. No, I said. You're a boy. He's a boy.
Oh.
Professor is very private with his life, as he should be. Everyone should be. Paul, basically, she wishes she would have woke up to your teaching sooner. Ah, that's what, Paul. I got it, Paul. Thank you, bro. Well, now you do. You know what's funny? What did I say? I've always said this. In the beginning, people might not like me or believe me. But over time, I'm their last resort to trading.
Yeah.
Fanti means they didn't take you seriously.
Yeah.
Boom. All right, so that's Doge. Done. Next one. Did I give you the tickers? Yes, I did. All right, next one. By the way, out of all the meme coins, Doge is my favorite. Next one. Bonk. This is another meme coin, but I'm just giving you. Why are we lagging, smart board?
Oh god, we got a hater in the chat.
We do? My course is free, Felix Johnson. My course is free, Felix Johnson. DayTradeProfessor.com, free trading course. Here, look. Free course. Now you can block. Bye, Felix. Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for subscribing, Felix. I appreciate you. Bye-bye. See, you know why Felix said that? And this is the truth. For anyone to say that is because they're hurting financially. Felix, I get it. I know where you are. You're in a dark place right now. You probably signed up for subscription services and signal chats and they all took advantage of you. You probably bought different courses and they took advantage of you. And you're in a place of hate. I don't blame you, brother. I don't blame you. I know there's so much nonsense out there and you got trapped by every single person, Felix. You know what? Unblock him. I feel bad for him. Bring him back. Felix, I get it. Just try my free course. It's okay. It's okay, Felix. It's okay. I understand. I understand what you're going through in your life right now. Just know that try the free course. There's nothing to pay for it. Use it. Go about your way, brother. I will try my best to help you. But try the free course. Trading works. It has to align to your purpose. My assistant dropped the link, Felix. Try it, bro. You know what I realize about the people that leave these messages? They're just hurting. Financially, they're really hurting. Because I've never been in a place to ever leave a hateful comment because I'm fine. I'm a blessed man. I might make a little bit of money. I'm fine. I moved to New York anyways and stay at a shelter for 6 months if I have to, just so I can come to your New York class. Let's go, Lambo. Just bought Doge, thanks. You're welcome, Abjal. Yeah, I seen that comment. What the hell? It's okay. I just walked in here late. Are y'all buying Doge right now? Paris Hilton? Yes, you should. Today, I sit up whole night just so I can be here. It's 5:10 in Dubai. Bro, it must be like 150 degrees in Dubai right now. Well, Saya, what's the temperature in Dubai right now? What's the temperature? All right, next ticker, Bonk. Let's talk about it. The human race is suffering worldwide. I travel most of the earth. I've seen things that people can't imagine just walking the streets. I'll tell you a story. I was in Turkey, Istanbul. I think it was like 11, 12 o'clock at night. I went to a restaurant at 8 and I was walking. I've told this story in the past. And I saw, as I was walking, I saw a little girl, Muslim girl, hijab on, in the trash, picking out French fries. I froze there right there. I looked at her and I go, come here, let me buy you food. She barely knew a little English. And I'm like, do you want anything? She goes, yes. I said, what do you want? She goes, baby formula. I'm like, baby formula? Yeah, my little sister. Not even for herself. For her little baby sister. So I take her, literally taking French fries. I said, what's your name? Fatima. And I'm like, come with me. I took her to the deli. And everything's open late in Turkey. People never go to sleep there. I go, first thing she grabs, one container of baby formula. I say, get another one, another container. I'm like, what else you need? She goes, I need, what is that baby stuff that they use? The milk for the baby. She gets that. I said, get other stuff. She grabs diapers. I said, grab other stuff, baby oil. I said, get something for yourself. So I say, chocolate. She grabs one bar. I said, take more. Take chips. I said, take whatever, fill it up. This girl, this tells you the suffering. This is one story. I could go with the 50 story. I traveled most of the earth. This girl's picking out French fries from a dumpster in the middle of the night. And the first thing she picks is everything for the baby, her sister. And I go, holy shit. I'm standing there frozen, just making sure, and I have to force her to get stuff for herself. She refuses. And then I ring my card. And then as she's like, at night I get cold, can I get a jacket? I said, let's go. And then what happens is more beggars show up. It became a few showed up. And the store owner went crazy screaming. It was a screaming match. And you know me, I don't like attention. I said, I'm out. She goes, but jacket. I said, I'm out. I was pissed in that moment. That night I didn't sleep. I stayed at this penthouse in Istanbul. I couldn't sleep because I'm like, I could have bought her the jacket. It was chaos in that store. The beggars were yelling with the store owners because everyone wanted my attention. And I don't like overall attention. You know me. I like to stay low key. And to this day, I'm pissed that I didn't buy that little girl the jacket. Professor, no offense. I need your wisdom here. I need to understand, why do you suggest on buying a ticker? Not right now. I have a message on my laptop when I trade. It says it's going to happen because you're going to make it happen. I like that. Currently 27. And more kids came. Correct. More kids came, Aldo. Correct. You remember the story? I remember this. Oh, yeah. I remember the story from 2023. Yes. The story is old. If you follow the free course, I guarantee you will profit from the teachings in them. Then use those profits to buy Professor's books. Then go to New York or Mexico. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate you. Noor, stay on my lesson, Papi. You are deviating me. You are deviating me. I love you, Noor. But you got to stop deviating me, bro. You're talking about things I'm not talking about. Lord, forgive me for any time I've been ungrateful. 100%. I remember that live from that night as well. Yes. I can never forget that story. Little girl, maybe 10 years old.
So it was like impossible to get her the jacket.
I was being rampaged by every beggar under the sun.
They were just trying to...
This girl was buying up half the store because of me. Now the others saw and they want my attention. One of them goes, what about for... I'm like, now when the screaming happened, you know I don't like unnecessary attention. I'm suited up in Turkey in the middle of the night looking the way I look. In the middle of the street in a neighborhood I shouldn't be in. With beggars running all over the place. Hello? Right. I don't like to get kidnapped. Right. I had to get out and leave. So back to the point. Why did I bring up the story? There was a reason. It started off with something. By the way, the yeses have gone down to 69% for the bunny. Just so we're clear.
Oh, okay. Down?
It was 70 something, now 69. People don't want you to get money. Let's go, everybody that said no. You're a team professor.
No.
But I don't know what the point of the story I was going into, but...
It was after you asked about Dubai.
Appreciate the life that you're given. The money that you have, the life that you're given. Appreciate every moment of that, what you have. Because You'll never see it again. Jesse, how's it going, Professor? Good to see you again. What are we learning today? Block him! Jesse, puppy, I've been live for an hour and 14 minutes. Did you just ask me? It's on the thumbnail. It's on the title. You're lucky you're here because I would have blocked him. I'm just being honest. If you weren't here, I would have blocked this guy. I'm being honest. All right, next ticker. Let's go. Smart board. Can we not tweak? Can we just go back to normal? Thank you. Go back to normal. Next ticker. Here we go.
Damn, now I want to block Jesse because he said no to the bunny.
I said no. So I like you, Jesse. I like you. I like you, puppy. All right, next ticker. Bonk. This is a meme coin. When we said Dubai is hot, that's how you started. Make the most of what you have and God will bless you, correct. I don't knock who you were 30 minutes ago, but I guarantee you, I know I will get to meet you in New York someday soon. Sergio, I'll see you in class. If not New York, Mexico, papi. We're doing 4 mentorships in Mexico. Talking about the human race suffering. Yeah, that's where I started. Prodigy, thank you. The human race is suffering worldwide.
Yeah, for sure.
Just being here with you, already learning how to attract wealth and gain abundance frequency in your life. Appreciate you, Paul. I remember that night you gave that same story and the lesson. So many people have it worse than us, and all we have to do is hit sell. How greedy we are as humans. You know what's crazy about that, right? This little girl picking out French fries out the trash. And the first thing she said, Tomas, was for her baby sister. We Americans are the most, in my opinion, I've traveled most of the earth. We Americans are the most selfish human beings on earth. In my opinion. Again, I've traveled most of the planet Earth. And I've never seen more selfishness than the Americans. I'm an American, I'm just being honest. I give my time to you guys Tuesday, Friday. Every Tuesday, Friday. 5 years. Till when? To the rest of my life. Even when the school's built, I'm a man of my word. This will never be charged for. This will never be behind a paywall. Have you read the book Giving Tree? I don't think so. Professor, buy her bunny. Stop it, Janish! Otherwise, we all met. No. No. Do not bring her a bunny as a gift. She likes chocolates, like a lot of you bring me chocolates. That's a good gift. Some of you give me nice things behind the scenes. Yes, but no bunnies. You know, one of my students bought me a big poster, a neon poster. One of my students gave me a laser light. Like, I appreciate those gifts.
I feel like you're scared that you're gonna love it too much.
No, it's not about that.
Yeah,
It's not about that. You know what I care about.
I know.
If it didn't crap or pee, I would say yes.
But
If it didn't crap,
train them.
I know. But if it didn't crap or pee, I would say yes. Wait till Elon releases the robots. I'll buy you a robot buddy.
No.
That's my only. I give you my word. The only reason I'm not saying yes because they crap and pee and I'm a germaphobe. You know this. We'll talk about it in September. Not right now. Hey, George says no bunny. All right, bomb coin. Let's go, baby. Oh God, this thing has like 30,000 zeros. So I'm not gonna write all the zeros. I'm just gonna write. FYI, bunnies after 2 years and shed. They shed a lot.
No, that's not true. It depends on the breed.
Because if they shed, that's not happening. I wear black. I don't need more lint.
Depends on the breed.
By the way, you see how that guy we unblocked? He never commented again. You unblocked him, right?
Yeah.
And look, he never commented. So what I said must have clicked with the guy.
Curtis said chocolate bunny.
You ain't training nobody. I'm not training nobody. She is.
I trained my dogs.
I'm making one of my degenerate friends to watch your live. Appreciate you, Janesh. Appreciate you. So Bonk, I like. It's a meme coin. But it's a nice mover and has some great potential. Look at the moves on it. Look at the moves on it. Big spikes. It has a trend, a pattern, historical pattern of spikes. The next spike is coming. Are you ready for the next spike? I put 2K in my Think or Swim account. I lost 1K before seeing your videos. After seeing your videos, I took your strategy and I'm back up 1,600. Mashallah, praise God, Lambo. You know, this is the thing I love about this, right? You had, out of all the love I have, One person came and said something out of line. But look at the love.
Yep.
The hate towards me is a fraction of a fraction of a fraction.
Yep.
Get a bunny stuffed animal, so much better. There you go. There's my levels on Bonk. I'm for it. I'm for it. Because a lot of opportunities are lining up for the next bull cycle in the altcoin season when it comes. Altcoins will pop under TRUMP. We're going to see some exciting moves happen in the next 4 years. And then in the future, when Baron TRUMP becomes president, I think in 20 more years, that kid will become president. By the way, there's a book written 100 years ago that predicted that one of our presidents in the year 2040 will be, or 2050, will be called Baron TRUMP. It was written 100 years ago. Just saying. And then there will be a civil war after that last president. I'm just saying. Go find out what books these are. Lambo Kitten is proof we are learning how to attract wealth by being here and learning from Professor. Thank you, Paul. Eric, bunnies live 5 to 8 years depending on their environment and can live up to 12 years. Get her the bunny. Eric, we'll see, man. I'm not saying no or yes. I leave to Mexico in a month. I'll see when I get back. Not right now. The moral of the story of the giving tree is true happiness is derived from giving without expecting. You know, it's funny, Beatrice, you said that. In the early days when I used to go live, I was forced to go live by my mentor in the past, right? My mentor's like, go live, professor. Go live. I said, okay. I didn't want to. I hate social media. And then I started liking it. And then I said, I'll be live twice a week, always. And I just fell in love with it. And you know, in over time, what I've learned, Beatrice, is I've noticed people, I'll give you a story of one of my students, Andy. Andy signed up to a mentorship because he was at a bar with his friend, Ravi, and his wife. The wife was a big fan of me. Andy doesn't know who I am. Ravi didn't know who I am. His wife was a big fan of me. They're at the bar drinking, and his wife talking very highly of me. And Andy signs up for the mentorship. Andy loved it. Went back to the bar, got his friend Ravi to sign up. And now Ravi, whose wife knew me but never signed up, is going to plan on signing up too. We plant seeds of success. Okay? We plant seeds of success. That seed will grow to be an apple tree. I or you might never taste the fruit of that apple tree, but eventually someone will come along and eat from that tree. Do you understand what I'm saying? There's people that have found my videos from years ago. Speaking of apple trees, not now, but can you get me pomegranates later, please?
Yeah, do you want pears too?
Cut up a fruit bowl, but mainly pomegranates. Not right now.
No, I'm good.
Yeah. So, boom. I'm buying your bonk. I'm buying bonk? Go for it. Thanks for guiding me in my path with trading. Great start. Been trading for 3, I'm assuming months. Just started to be profitable. Let's go, Gamble. Yeah, that worked out great for him. Telling you to go live and everyone liked you more. What are you talking about, Chris? What guy are you talking about? All right, so bonk, I like. Next one. You know, whenever a hater mentions my name, they just get me more love. That's what, I don't think they understand that. I don't think they understand that. Like making fun of the way I look, to my style, to whatever that upsets people. They don't understand that that actually helps me. Tariq is living proof. Tariq is living proof. All right, next coin. I don't even know what I clicked on. Was it IOTA? IOTA. Smart board. Don't tweak on me. Good, bad, or phenomenal opportunity on this crypto coin? Flood the chat. I just bought your books. Thank you, Gigi. Professor Malik, I'm new here. Do you do any live trading? Yes. Go to the playlist. There's a live trading playlist of me doing live trades. Oh, by the way, I'll be live trading futures next Friday. Boom. Boom. And we live trade in my classes too, Noor. What do you think of Shiba? Whoa, that is a long stage one. Flood the chat. What do you guys think? Madam, record this, please.
Yes.
Get ready. Come on, flood the chat. Flood the chat. Phenomenal, phenomenal. Ronald says trash. Flatline dead. Okay. This, phenomenal. And I'm going to tell you why. This ticker, IOTA, is quantum based. When quantum gets back into the conversation, where is this going? Look at this from the past. Remember, the past will dictate what happens. Long stage one, quantum conversation, massive pop to like 260, 270. Right now it's at 20 cents. Fell, big pump. Now it's just on a massive stage one. Who can tell me this looks similar to a specific crypto right before its massive explosion? For the chat. George, hey, waiting on the new books to arrive. Of course, bro. George, this book goes into everything about me, my strategy. This book teaches you how to hit sell strategically. This book keeps you in check when you're trading actively. Yeah, there you go, bro. Hey, very good. Looks like XRP. Very, very good. Similar to XRP. XRP was flatlined and moving sideways for the longest amount of time. And then when time came for the pump, check the live. I think it's tweaking. It is tweaking. Yeah. How much is the book? Drop the link, please. Use code. You know what to post. Just put in the chat. They'll look at it.
Yeah.
I need them bad. Bro, get the books. I'm giving you 50% off the Ultimate Edition. You can get all three. 50% off. Use the code FETUSD. FETUSD. My assistant's about to drop in the chat. Go for it. Go for it. So I like this one. This is one where you buy it, forget about it, and and set alerts. Buy it, forget about it, and set alerts. There you go. She dropped the link. Thank you, madam. Yeah, it was going slow, but you're good now. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we're good to go. So IOTA, I'm with it. By the way, just use Google to find what broker you could use to buy it. Coinbase doesn't have every single coin. You gotta use Google and see what brokers have it. I bought them on Tuesday. Thank you, George. So there you go, IOTA. Next. You know, I thought to myself today was going to be a short live.
No, I knew it was going to be long. All of your crypto lives are.
Why are the crypto lives so long?
Because you go on tangents.
Well, but I always go off on tangents.
No, but more on the tickers. Because you get distracted.
That's true. Do I get distracted or is it my lectures?
It's lectures that go into tangents.
No. Wrong button. Please come back. Please don't go. Thank you. I just want to delete you. All right. Next one. The biggest disappointment crypto of my existence. Ethereum. Unfortunately. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Ethereum is the biggest disappointment in the crypto world, in my opinion. In my opinion. Why? Because just look what it does. Yes, it has clean trends. Yes, it respects support resistance. But it hasn't been performing as well. So there you go. I'll give you my levels. Sacre bleu. Solana was a much better asset class. It is what it is. What are you going to do, you know? We had high hopes. There's my levels.
The link isn't working, please.
Professor, there's a risk warning on my brokers when I went to buy it. Yeah, check the brokers, Akil. Every broker is different. Wow, she knows you very well. Who knows me very well? Why, what did you say?
You asked me why the live went on for so long.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, she lives in the house, so of course she knows me very well. Can you please check? They're saying the link is not. She's checking it.
Yeah.
Guys, the link is right here, man. Daytradeprofessor.com. Daytradeprofessor.com. It's everywhere.
It's okay, I'll spoon feed.
No, I know. ETH is a stable coin at this point. Yes, 100% Ramsha. Haven't seen those Bitcoin and Ethereum pillows in a while.
Oh, we got one. I'll get you it in a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Link is they're all saying the link is not
Yeah,
working.
I'll work on it.
It's not working?
No, it's not working for some reason.
Okay. All right, she's about to drop a new link. Stage 1 excellent, buy low. No, I know, Peter, but there's better opportunities, man. I think FET is awesome as of now, but ETH, disappointment. It's because all the meme coins switched to Sol. That's what I said, Solana. They're using the Solana blockchain. All the money moved into Solana because the fees were too high on ETH. Open your eyes, team. It's okay. We make mistakes. ETH will have its day, I'm sure. But as of now, there's better opportunities. We go where the opportunities are. You don't see me getting hung up on specific coins. It works now?
Yes, it works.
Click it. Let me see what happens.
Look.
Boom.
Yep.
Thank you. Use the code FETUSD. 50% off the ultimate and bundle package. Next ticker. Let's go. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? By the way, thank you again for everyone always coming on the lives. I love this studio so much. You know, by the way, again, I'll leave for Mexico in June for 3 months. I'll be out of the country. Please don't ask where the YouTube lives are. I won't be here. Oh, also, a new YouTube video drops tomorrow, Saturday, 12 p.m. Eastern. It shows you day 1, point of view of my student Michelle filming the class. Check that out tomorrow. Tomorrow, 12 p.m. Right here. I got you, man. Here you go, bro. Bitcoin pillow. Boom. The reason why you don't see it is I don't sit no more. Remember I used to sit and used to be on my back? I don't sit no more. That's why. Next ticker. They said space music. Yes, Fat. Sol is great. Got at 11 during the FX Summit 2 years ago. Nice, Peter. Mashallah. Next one. Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin, it's been holding very nicely. Shout out to Michael Saylor, who's holding it down. That man is buying millions and millions and millions of dollars of Bitcoin. If you want to think about it from a bigger scheme of things, he might be holding the entire market up on Bitcoin. I'm just saying. For IOTA, I went to buy it when you talked about quantum. It was around 13 cents at that time. But due to the risk warning, I didn't buy it at the time. It has 2x since then. Akil, usually the things I talk about, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20x. Welcome to the life of me. Are you giving up on ETH? I'm not giving up on it. I'm disappointed in it. I gave up on Matic. Dead. RIP. Been waiting on Bitcoin to come back to 60. I remember that crash, Peter. I got into Bitcoin is strong. Oh, I see you're going to answer my question here. Really been focusing on gold, but it's time to expand. Let's go. So now, what about the zone? The 60,000s. This is the 60,000 zone. Never came in. Got very close. It's holding. This is a good sign that it's holding. Doesn't mean it can't fall, but as of now, we are looking nice. So remember, Bitcoin has an infinite potential because it's only 21 million Bitcoin. And all the elites are trying to get it. But you know, going back to the Michael Saylor example, imagine if you will, because when I used to trade penny stocks, when they had a low float, I influenced it. Imagine if Michael Saylor, I'm not saying he's going to do it. I don't think he's ever going to sell it. God bless Michael Saylor. That guy got conviction. You know, he has conviction in him. Imagine if he sold it. The Bitcoin would collapse, I believe. Not collapse, but drop drastically. Why don't you use normal candles? Muhammad, go read my book. You're right, Professor. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, Bitcoin is looking good. It's bullish. The recent weekly candle is looking very nice. I think if we're talking long term, this is a long term live, right? You have nothing to lose when it comes to long term on Bitcoin. In short term, pullbacks, but long term, I believe it'll go to infinite. Forget 100,000, 500,000, 1 million. I truly think in 50 years, it'll just be an infinite number. Just saying. I appreciate every single one of you. Especially that guy who said the hateful comment. It's okay. If you're going through a hard time financially, if you're in a bad place because someone screwed you over in these stupid ass discords and courses, you have nothing to lose here. I am live every Tuesday, Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern. My course is free. If you cannot afford any of my books, just watch the lives. Just watch the lives. And stop paying people to learn how to do these things monthly. Find one mentor. I have a mentor. I have multiple mentors. So now, you already know. Let me pause the music. Quote out of the Quran. Let's knock one out. Last week we had a good quote. Let's see if we get another one today. Boom. Chapter 28, the whole story. Al-Qasas. Verse 18, chapter 28. And so Moses became fearful, watching out in the city, when suddenly the one who sought his help the day before cried out to him again for help. Moses rebuked him. Indeed, you are clearly a troublemaker, Moses said. Then when Moses was about to lay his hands on their foe, the enemy said, "Oh Moses, do you intend to kill me as you killed the man yesterday? You only want to be a tyrant in the land. You do not intend to make peace." And verse 20, and there came a man rushing from the furthest end of the city. He said, "Oh Moses, the chiefs are actually conspiring against you to put you to death. So leave the city. I really advise you to do so." So Moses left the city in a state of fear and caution, praying, "My Lord, deliver me from the wrongdoing people." And as he made his way towards Midian, he said, "I trust my Lord will guide me to the right way." You know what Moses is trying to say in this verse? Have faith in the Almighty. If you try your best every single day in whatever you do, truly try your best, and depend on yourself and have conviction in the Almighty, I don't care who you believe in, God will always make a way out for you in any difficult situation. Be like the birds. Every day the birds fly out of their nest to find sustenance for their babies. I'm pretty sure they eventually find something. God has a purpose for all of you. You will find your path into what you want in due time. In due time. I didn't become health conscious until I was 19 years old. I spent most of my life junk food and toxic food. Now I would never shop out of specific health food stores, organic health food stores. When I go out to grocery shop with my assistant, if it's not organic, I don't let her touch it. I let her have anything she wants as long as it now has no chemicals in it. Have I ever said no to you when it's unnatural? No. But when it's chemicals, I say no. So just as Moses helped free the slaves out of Egypt and parted the sea and escaped the Pharaoh, God will find a purpose for you as well. Listen, I will see you on Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm dropping a new video tomorrow. 12 p.m. Eastern, day 1 of my mentorship class. May peace